Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the SD Gundam G Generation error code 483. The error reads server error. An error has occurred, returning to the title screen. According to user reports, the error shows up repeatedly and keeps looping even after restarting the game. As per our research, the error is most likely related to VPN settings or specific network configurations. In some cases, not using a VPN can also cause the issue depending on the Wi-Fi setup. The first thing you should check is if you are using a VPN. If yes, then go to your phone settings and disconnect the VPN from there. Then check for the error. If the VPN is already off and the error still comes, then check if the game needs an update. If yes, then update it and check for the error again. If the game is up to date but you still see the error, try switching to a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot network. Then launch the game and see if this helps. If the issue still comes, then try reinstalling the game completely. Simply uninstall it, restart your device, then reinstall the game and check for the error. If you were not using a VPN before and none of the steps helped, then try using a VPN. Some Wi-Fi networks come with specific configurations that cause this error, and using a VPN might help bypass that. So give this a try and see if this helps. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.